are you? Welcome back to A Savvy Life. VEDA day, I don't know what it is, but it is another video. Today is Saturday. It's the day before Easter, and I'm hoping to get this video posted on the actual day before Easter. I am putting together two gifts, one for my mother-in-law, one for my mom, to give to them when they come over tomorrow for Easter brunch. I've had a big component of the supplies already on hand and didn't know when I would use it, and I figured, oh, this would be the perfect occasion to whip these out. So what I am going to show you in this video is how I made these beautiful mug baskets. And of course, you know, when you get a mug, there's so much that you can put inside of the space. I want to show you how exactly I made this. It's super simple. If you are in need of a gift for tomorrow or for any of the upcoming holidays, there's Mother's Day, there are graduations coming up, this would be something very perfect, cute, and inexpensive that you can make yourself and get a sure smile out of the recipient. Okay, in the next clips, I'll show you how I put this together, and at the end of it, I may or may not show you me wrapping it with cellophane, but that is the end goal, and that's how I'll give it to the moms on tomorrow, wrapped in cellophane. All right, have a great day, and happy crafting. I'm going to make two of these little mug baskets for our mothers, and I bought this cute mug from Dollar Tree about a year or so ago, and I think that it's perfect for the spring and Easter. It says bloom where you are planted, and because it's a mug, of course not much can fit in there, but I can make it work, and I'm going to show you exactly how I am going to do that. These inspirational prayer cards were also found at Dollar Tree, and I think that it complements rather well with this. I bought a few, when I say a few, about 6 or 7 of these because I knew that they would eventually make good gifts. And I am going to incorporate these into the mug gifts. So look how beautiful they are. And there is even gold foil on some of these. So I know for sure that our mothers will definitely appreciate that. So I'm going to show you how I am going to get the items in here. I'm going to start off by inserting styrofoam into the mug. This is the only size that I had on hand, which any type of styrofoam will work. I want to make sure that I can get the styrofoam inside of the mug. So I use the top of the mug to create an indent, and I am going to use a marker to not trace the exact size of the mug, but I'm going to go on the inner part of the indentation so that I can make sure that it will be able to fit perfectly inside of the mug. So that's what you see me doing right here. To cut out the circle, I'm going to use my Floral Craft styrofoam cutter, and it gets really hot, and that tip just melts away the shape that you are cutting and makes it very easy, and the cleanup is none to nothing. I mean, it just pops right out, as you can see. Because I have 2 of the rounds, I need to secure them. I didn't want to pull out my hot glue gun, so I am using spray adhesive and just giving it a tight squeeze so that the 2 pieces will stick together. And I also have duct tape on hand because I don't want to use anything more evasive to the mug, because the moms can use the mug to sip their coffee or tea at a later date. So I'm going to use the duct tape and just stick the foam at the base of the mug, and as you can see, it is nice and secure. Next up, I am going to use the skewers. These, I believe, came from the Dollar Tree. Any other store that has kitchenware normally carries them. So with the skewer, I am going to use the items that I'm going to display in the mug basket, and I am going to tape the skewer to the item using either, if you have duct tape, you can use that clear duct tape, or you can use just some clear tape. Gift wrapping tape will work fine, and that's what I did here. And at the end, once you get every item that you're going to use in the mug taped to your skewer, you then want to find proper placement so that you can cut down any of the length of the skewer so that you can have the shape of the items how you like it. Now that I have all of my items on the skewers and I've placed them in the mug how I prefer them to be, I have also glue dots that I'm going to use, and that's just to get the items to stay in place firmly. And these glue dots came from Amazon. I can find a link and try to include them, but can you see the items are staying in place? They're not twisting and turning because my particular skewers are rather flimsy, and the glue dots just helps everything stay in place, and it will not rip the packaging and cause a mess for the moms. I like to use packing paper or tissue paper to fill in the gaps of the base of the mug, and this also provides even more sturdiness for the skewers to not lean over. And if I want to add items to the base of the skewered items, this gives me a height, and I don't have to worry about the items falling to the bottom of the mug. So at Dollar Tree, they have this Easter grass that is on this roll, and all you have to do is take it out of the pack, and it says to hold the grommet and just shake, and then the grass kind of fills out. So I think this will be enough for me to do 2 or possibly 3 small baskets if I'm wanting to use this as fillers. So for the 2 that I'm going to do, I'm going to just take off half and use 1 for each of the mugs, but it offers a nice filler to the bottom. And that's it. Something very cute, inexpensive, and very time friendly. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope that this came just in time for you to go out and make your own quick and cute basket mug for your friends or family. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and click the like button to like this video, and leave a comment down below. Until the next video, have a great day. Bye.